here for the 5225 project,
A repurpose-driven life,
where we show you that you can have a different outfit every week of the year. That's the 52 for less than $25 head to toe. That's the 25. I'm Cher.
And I'm Carrie.
And we are Glitter, Glue, and Gluttony.
Gluttony.
So today, this is week 12?
13.
13. Week 13.
Lucky 13.
It is.
It is.
And because it's the beginning of Holy Week, we're in our Easter outfits.
We are.
So Carrie's going to tell you what outfit she put together for Easter, and then I'll tell you about mine.
Awesome. Well, my outfit, this lovely dress.
It is lovely.
Yes. It is a Ralph Lauren chaps dress.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la. I got this at the Goodwill in Pasadena. It was $7.99 in perfect, beautiful, brand new condition.
Beautiful.
The shoes were $1.99, but they were 50% off. So I only paid $1 for these shoes at Sun Thrift.
That's a steal.
They are a steal. They're very comfortable too with the round toe. And then this lovely sweater has made an appearance in another episode. It was $5.99 at the Pasadena Goodwill. So let's see, 8, 6 is 14, 15, and then I have this lovely purse, which of course I've stolen from Cher's purse collection.
$1.99, so that's 17 we're up to.
17.
I actually put the little vintage pin on it myself. That was just out of my junk jewelry drawer.
And then the accessories, these are just, they were plain wooden bangles.
So
I
cute.
pulled out my acrylic craft paint and just painted them for spring. I painted a bunch of little flowers on them. And then my necklace is one of our signature Owl vs. Octopi owl necklaces, which you can find in our Etsy store. And then this fascinator was actually from last Easter's Glitter, Glue, and Gluttony episode.
Fascinating.
That we made. So all the accessories are made except for the purse. And that was... So total of $14, $15, $16, $17. 17 total for me.
That's fantastic.
Cher looks so beautiful. I love this.
This spectacular little dress is, whatever the Villager, was that the brand that Mervyn's used to carry long ago? Picked this up at the thrift store for $3.99, but it's a Villager, so any of you who used to shop at Mervyn's may own this, or you may have donated it so that I now own it.
Thank you.
Lovely. My shoes are vintage from somewhere in the 1960s.
Yes.
They were purchased at Quality Thrift for $3.99, just the last time Carrie and I went.
We love
Lovely
those.
little sandals
So
for
cute.
spring.
Very comfortable.
My little sweater is $3.99 from Quality Thrift. And then this little purse
So pretty.
was $5.99, also from Quality Thrift. So we're looking at 4, 4, 4, that's
16,
12.
I'm sorry, I can't do math.
Plus $5.99 plus 6 makes 18. $1 at a yard sale for this lovely little seashell necklace.
So that's 19.
And then I made both of my beautiful bracelets.
That is a great way to save money. Make your own accessories.
That's right.
Don't go to Forever 21 and buy cheap jewelry.
No.
Make your own gorgeous jewelry out of...
Dig into your grandma's jewelry box and get all those clip earrings that she's not going to use. Last episode, I think I wore a pink one like this, and today is the blue one.
You can take apart beaded necklaces that you have and restring them into beautiful on memory wire and make a beautiful bracelet like this.
It's just a little spiral of wire.
Yep.
Look at that.
Very
So there
simple.
we are. So my outfit was
19?
a total of $19.
Yep.
And Carrie's was $17. So look at that. We didn't
Even
even break
under-
the $20
we didn't.
mark
We could
this time.
wear some other accessories or outfits or have a coat.
Who knows what?
Who knows? But you know what? It's good to save money.
It is.
It is.
So we have a little bit more in our Easter basket this week.
That's right. We can buy peeps. More peeps.
Absolutely. So once again, keep sending us the pictures of you in your fantastic thrift store and yard sale finery.
That's right. And send us tips on where we need to go thrifting. And if it's in your hometown, we'll come and we will thrift with you and enjoy some cocktails and snacks.
We will. We'll stop by and we'll play dress up together.
And we'll bring a craft. We'll even craft with you.
So until next time, stay glittery, my friends.
And stay green.
Bye. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.